Today I'm here to tell you how I revamped my counters for just $25. You want to start off with cleaning the area thoroughly and then letting it dry for about 30 minutes. Then you want to proceed to tape off any areas to avoid overspray and damaging any parts of your bathroom. Next, you want to move on to the primer and paint spray. Let that rest for about an hour. Move on to your stone spray. Check for any areas that need to be redone. Give that about a half hour between sprays and then move on to your polyurethane. Give it about 3 days to fully dry. Also, within that time, you can caulk. I used clear caulk. All the products are shown here. They'll also be listed in the description. I'm just showing stain. I had previously stained my countertops, and also I relined them just to give them a fresh look. It feels very hard, very durable. The polyurethane is a very good top coat for water. I've redone my kitchen tables. Haven't had any issues. They've been redone with the poly for a few years now. Hope you like it. Have a good day.